Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power a minus 2 power b is equals to 120 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know that we have to subtract b from a, that means 2a is greater than 2 power b, that means a is greater than b. So we can say that A is something that we have to add in B. So A is equals to B plus C. We can say that. So if I'll replace this equation 2 power A with B plus C minus 2 power B is equals to 120. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 2 power b times 2 power c minus 2 power b is equals to 120. So if I'll take 2 power b as common, so 2 power c minus 1 is equals to 120. Now I am going to do the factorization of 120. So 120 we can divide by 2. It gives us 60. Again with 2, 30. Again with 2, it's 15. Now with 3, 5. And 5, 1. So we can write this as 2 power 3 times 15. Now if we compare both sides, 2 power b with 2 power 3 and 2 power c minus 1 with 15. So 2 power b is equals to 15 is equals to 2 power 3, sorry, and 2 power c minus 1 is equals to 15. So if we compare, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of b is 3. And 2 power c is equals to 15 plus 1. 2 power c is equals to 16. So 2 power c is equals to 16. We can write it as 2 power 4. So the value of c is 4. Now from this equation, a is equals to b plus c. So the value of a is 3 plus 4, that is 7. So a is 7 and b is 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please share it with your family and friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.